In this video, I'd like to cover powering Go1 with an external supply. Now, this becomes incredibly important if you're doing any sort of low-level programming. For high-level mode, obviously, you want to just normally run that with a battery because Go1 will be moving all over the place and you might have issues with limited length of your cable, your power supply cable. So for now, this is a necessity for low-level control, mainly because as you manipulate the various joints, you want to Go1 to be free, suspended in the air, so that can be done. We'll be covering a video of low-level control in the near future, but for now, let's just demonstrate how this works. Now, I do recommend making sure you have your remote powered on. You're going to need that once Go1 is standing. You'll need to lay Go1 down to power off. You'll notice also that the battery is removed from Go1, and I'll go ahead and run the power supply. Go1's power input is 24 volts, so I'll go ahead and turn this up to 24, and then we can fine tune this on the left. So that's sufficient there. And for current, I have the max current setting. This supply will support up to 30 amps, and you'll notice that I'm not using any of the front terminals. This supply, for anything over 10 amps, requires the rear terminals to be used. I've created this simple cable. It's an XT30 connector, and on the rear of Go1, I'll remove the cover, and you'll notice that there's an XT30 female port on the bottom. We'll go ahead and plug in. You'll notice that there is some current draw going on. So Go1 is going through the boot sequence right now. And if you're not aware, this will normally take up to a minute for the boot sequence to happen, everything to initialize, and for Go1 to stand. You'll notice now we are consuming a bit more power because Go1 is standing and obviously the motors are engaged. And so that's how you power Go1 externally. Let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and lay down and then go into the damping state. And last but not least, we'll unplug power to Go1.